going to change my oil on my Fiat panda 2005 four-wheel drive. Went for a drive about an hour ago. The oil should still be warm, so hopefully it'll come out nice and easily. But been to Halfords, bought an oil wrench thing, and these plug removing tools. I've got a 19-inch wrench spanner. Also use a socket. Plug that in, but I've not got any long sockets in that size, so give it a spanner. This was like £8 and this was like 15 or so. Can get the cheaper ones, you get the cup ones will go over it, like twist off, but I didn't know what size I needed, and you can get one with a chain, but I've just got this one. Adjusted it to the size you need and hopefully twist it off. Oil pan for collecting the oil. These are just brake discs and pads for it in the car. I don't know if I'm going to do it yet because it might be just a waste. Let's stick her off and get under the car. The oil in the car doesn't look too bad. I had a look the other day, but the oil light is on, it comes on sometimes, so I don't know if it's just like a faulty sensor or something, but we're going to change the oil anyway and have a look. I suppose it's a little dark. Nothing major, I don't think. Right, the car's up on the ramps. Got a breaker bar out, shouldn't be necessary, but yeah, I'll give it a go. That's a joke. That shouldn't be that tight. Give it a spray with some penetrating fluid, see if that does anything, or I'll have to go and get my impact gun. But fuck, that's hard. When was this last done? Just tried again, got a little bit of movement. Bucket under. Going to leave that for at least 20 minutes, see what else comes out. Then I come and take the filter off. Haven't got a big enough tray to do both at the same time. Now for the filter. bit stiff, but I think it's coming. Yeah, there we go. It's still dripping a bit, but yeah, we haven't got all day, so we're going to give this a bit of a wipe with some paper towel. Put the new filter on. Put a bit of oil around the seal and I filled it up a little bit halfway. And try and get it on without spilling most of it. It says like apply by hand. Yeah, it says tighten by hand, but I've seen people use the cap and the torque wrench. It's leaking a bit, but probably because I'm quite greasy at the moment as well. Doesn't help. Just grabbing it lightly as I can. And a wipe of sump. Still dripping a bit, but and the plug back in. That'll do, I think. It's a 2.8 litres of oil it takes. I'm going to steal this from the kitchen. Measure it out. Okay, can't find a funnel right now, so we're just going to have to be real careful. Oh, yeah, that's careful. Oil might be a bit high on there, but it needs time to go into the filter and circulate around all the engine. It's not really a car maintenance guy, but giving stuff a go. So I'll see you next time. Give it a go yourself.